Today I'm gonna be showing y'all my slimes, and y'all gonna and I'm gonna be showing y'all, and who knows what's gonna happen. So the first slime we got is the mystery slime. It's a mystery slime. I don't know what it is. So we got that. We got that mystery slime. We got this Frankenstein slime from Halloween Kit. And we got this bubblegum double from another slime kit. So, and we also have this bubblegum double spark can't even say the name anymore. Bubblegum double bubblegum double sprinkles, rainbow bubblegum double sprinkles. We got that one, and that will be it. Bye. Thank you for coming, Sandy. How can I end it like that? Come on, it's only 1 minute. Okay. First one is our. We're gonna do this one last. Let's do the bubblegum double sprinkles first. That doesn't mean it's butter slime. The lid fit. Can see it. Can see the Orbeez in there.
Aren't you a little young to have your own brand of fish food? Yeah, I'm catching what you're casting. But I don't know about staying in a private home. The good thing about a hotel is I've got a whole staff to back me up.
Don't worry. This rental comes with a top-notch staff. Right?
So, you can see the Orbeez.
When it comes to staff, we are the toppest of notches. Oh, it does have hundreds of guests. We are dedicated to you. We'll take care of needs you didn't even know you had. Like maybe redesigning that vest. Rachel. So do we have a deal?
Sold. I'll get my stuff.
Great. Now we just need to sell one more person.
You can see. Ooh,
Family show. It would be even nicer if we could wait 10 minutes till the game's over.
That's actually cherry jelly. Serve it quick before it gets solid. Now, close your eyes and listen to the sound of tropical paradise.
So that one was messy. I had to pick all the Orbeez up. So that one's done.
Puppy named Guppy?
So
That's an official Kobe League children's book.
Already in the works. Thing is,
we can put this
I'm
one.
gonna for me while I'm
Our next one is this one. My ultimate favorite. So we just clean these off.
I can handle one dog.
I don't sign salmon, ma'am. Personal policy.
Every typical fight starts with step one.
Okay. So this one's called bubblegum
Like to look at us again.
double.
Well,
So
soon
it's
it will be dark, you won't be able to see it.
This one I'm actually going to take out because it doesn't have Orbeez.
100% chance of rain in greater Marshport.
So, what's a little rain?
With microburst tornadoes throughout the night.
Stop reading that. Please tell me you have a backup plan. Of course. This is your backup plan? Staying at the store won't be so bad. I don't know why I didn't think of this before. Because it's a terrible idea. Yeah, that's probably it.
We'll be right back to Stuck in the Middle with Harley and the Diaz family on Disney Channel.
Smells like mint.
Please direct your eyes to the front of the plane for a very
and it has foam beads in them. Comment down below which one's your favorite slime, if you see foam beads in them too. Just foam beads in them. I got. I got you.
Dream big, princess.
I've got the hiccups. Can you help scare them away? Be creative. There's no limit.
So there's that one. Smells really good. It is good for crunching and prodding and stretching. So yeah, our next one is the Frankenstein slime. I know it's little, it's okay. You can see it has jewels in them. This is the Frankenstein slime. It has a jewel, and it also has little black things that came with the glue, and it has some little foam beads in there, as well as the bubblegum double. So let's see if it's good for let's see if it's good for stretching. See if it can reach this. And it might not stretch a lot because it's not that. It is good for stretching. Is it good for making? It's good for making. Is it good for poking? If you like to poke really hard, like use all your muscles just to poke, this would be a good slime for you, but I don't like doing that, just like easy pokes. So this is not really good for poking for me. Is it good? Does it smell good? Doesn't smell good.
Table for two, my good man. No, let's try something else.
Put it back. And it is good for shaping, like this. Put it in the middle, and you get the two things. Looks like a Tootsie Roll. We got this surprise one. I don't know what's in it. I don't know what slime. It has to be one of them, but I don't know which one it is because my boyfriend had to go do is cooking. Is cooking downstairs, but he made this for me this morning. So yeah. So let's just see. I don't know what it is. Seriously. Seriously.
It's gonna be a long
Let's see.
night. Let's not get on each other's nerves.
So if you guess the name of this slime, and guess the name of the slime down below. Can see the jewels. You can see it. Guess what one? Guess the name of this one. Guess the name of it. Do they look alike? I ain't gonna tell you. Frankenstein slime. I'm not telling them. Frankenstein slime. That's the name. That's the name. Comment down below which one, if you know the name. Frankenstein slime. So thank you for joining me. Smash that subscribe down below. Hit the thumbs button. No comment down below what name that is, and just come and watch me for my Come and watch me for my next video. Thank you for coming. Bye. And I've been filming for 10. No, I'll tell you in a little bit. I've been filming for 10, 15 to 16 to 17, 18, 10. Okay, I'm gonna end the vlog right now. Okay, 10 at 10, 20.